Good day. In this video, we're going to do these 4 circle geometry riders with you. In the first problem, they gave us a circle, and they gave us at the bottom, they said, O is the center, so that's the center of the circle. DOE is the diameter, so we have a diameter over there. And they say OE is perpendicular to PCQ, so that line is perpendicular over there. They indicated it for us. They say DE is 20 centimeters. And CE equals 2 centimeters. So that diameter is 20 centimeters and that piece is 2 centimeters. Then they asked us to calculate OC, that red line there, and PQ, that whole line there. First, we're going to work out the length of OC. Here is but one way of answering the question. We could start and say DE equals 20 centimeters. It was given. DO equals to OE equals to 10 centimeters because they are radii. The length from there to there is the same as the length from there to there. Then we can write OC is equal to OE minus CE. So OC will then be 10 minus 2. OE we worked out is 10 and they gave us that CE is 2. Then we know that OC equals 8 centimeters. And remember to write it in on your sketch. Next, they asked us to work out the length of PQ, that line over there. One possible way of answering the question is you can say in triangle OPC, you draw in the radius OP, and we know that all radii in a circle are the same length. We just now worked out that OE was 10 centimeters, so OP will also be 10 centimeters. Now we can use Pythagoras in that triangle because we have a right-angled triangle. We can write OP squared equals to OC squared plus PC squared from Pythagoras. Fill in the lengths. And then we want to work out PC. So PC squared equals 36. And by square rooting both sides, I get PC equals 6 centimeters. So that's the length from there to there. Then you may write PC is equal to CQ, line from center perpendicular to the chord. So CQ is also 6 centimeters. And then PQ is twice 6. That means PQ is 12 centimeters. Please stop the video and get your brain around this problem. In the next problem, they say O is the center of the circle over there. Angle B is 70 degrees indicated, and angle A is 50 degrees. Calculate the reflex angle AOB. I just help by saying it's angle O3 at the bottom there, so reflex angle at O. A possible way of answering it is by starting with in triangle ACO, that triangle. C1 equals to 50 degrees because of the radii. That angle at A is 50, so the one at C will also be 50 because the two radii are equal. Then you can write in triangle COB, angle C2 is 70 degrees, also because of the radii. So in that triangle, that angle will be 70 degrees because it's lying opposite equal radii. So that is 70 and that is 70 degrees. Then we can write angle C1 plus angle C2 is 120 degrees, if you add those two numbers. Then we can write reflex angle AOB is equal to 240 degrees. Angle at center is 2 times angle at circumference. The angle over there is twice as big as the angle over there. Please stop the video and get your brain around this one. In this problem, they ask us to work out the values of X, Y, and Z. They tell us that that angle is 90 degrees, and they give us 100 degrees is the exterior angle over there. One possible way of answering it is, you can say, angle Z is 80 degrees, angles on a straight line. You can see that that Z and the 100 are adjacent supplementary on a straight line. Next we can write, X is 100 degrees over there, exterior angles of a cyclic quad. So that exterior angle is equal to the opposite interior angle. The last one, Y equals to 90 degrees, opposite angles of a cyclic quad. The opposite angles of a cyclic quad adds up to 180. That one was 90, so that one will also be 90 degrees. Please stop the video and get your head around these three answers. The last problem of this video, they gave us this sketch and they wrote EF is a tangent. So we have a tangent coming down there. Then they said O is the center of the circle. That is the point over there. Then they said DGF, the blue line, is a straight line. And they said that EG is equal to GF. So those two lines are equal. One possible way of answering the question is you can write angle F is equal to angle E3 is equal to X. So that angle over there is X and that angle over there is X. Angles opposite equal sides of a triangle. So because those two sides are equal, those two angles will be equal. Then we wrote angle D2 is equal to angle E3 is also equal to X. Tan chord theorem. There's my tangent, there's my chord. That angle over there is equal to the angle in the opposite segment. So that's also X. Then we can write angle F is equal to angle D2 equal to X. They're both equal to angle E3. And then we write DE is equal to EF, sides opposite equal angles in a triangle. Because that angle and that angle is equal, the side opposite this angle and the side opposite this angle will be equal. Please stop the video and get your brain around this one. Please indicate whether you liked or disliked the video and subscribe to the channel. If you run into any school geometry problem that you have problems solving, you may send a clear WhatsApp photo of your problem to this number and a clear WhatsApp photo of where you tried it. Then we will try and solve the problem for you and send back an answer as soon as possible. Enjoy geometry.